Hi everybody! On today's episode of Tim's Being Weird Again, we're gonna do a startup video of the bus in the style of it's been sitting in the forest for 4,000 years. You think it'll start? Anyway, before we get started, I guess I'm supposed to say something about smashing your face on the keyboard to hit a like button. I already tried it, as you can see. I don't recommend it. I actually electrocuted myself and got my head stuck under the bed. It's a funny story. I'm not gonna tell it. Oh, yeah, also, don't forget to buy one of these t-shirts. That way you can support me or something. Anyway. So, do you like my professional cameraman? We were wandering around in the woods, and we found bus 420, just sitting here. I don't know, it looks like someone lives in it or something. I have no idea. And we decided we're going to do a will it start video. I talked to the owner and they said it's been sitting here since 1900 BC. So here's our quick, walkthrough to make sure everything's good so we can try to start it. Oh yeah, it has a radiator. Something about batteries. Oh, yeah, it has batteries. Wait. Supposed to get a stick so we can check the fuel. Ooh. Looks like it must take diesel. Oh. Yeah, I guess we're good. Alright. So now, we'll see if we can get in the bus. Oh no, I think the door is locked. Oh. Okay. A moment of truth. Oh, it has an engine. Cummins ISB 5924 valve. Looks to be in pretty decent shape. Okay, that was fun. Oh, and it even has keys. Oh, there's some gauges here too. Oh my, they're dirty. Ah, much better. Okay. Oh. Ew. Anyway. And we'll see. Hey Tim, you want to do the honors? Sure. All right. How do you like my keychain? It's a little school bus. Oh, it beeps at me. Wait to start. Test. So, according to this, it has 6,923.4 hours on it. And 27,790 miles. That doesn't sound right, does it? We actually think it has more like 90,000, but we're not really sure. Oh, parking brake. Alright, so, will it start? In reality, it's actually been sitting for about 2 months. Yeah, I guess so. We have oil pressure. We have voltage pressure. We don't have any fuel at all. My gauge broke. Will it build air? Oh, it already built air. There it goes. All right. So I would move it for you, but, that's not going to happen. be able to catch the air dryer. There it is. One of my strobes doesn't work right anymore. All right, well that was fun. Yeah, I'll actually tell you the story about what happened to my face. I needed to make an adjustment to the voltage on my battery charger. So the whole bed lifts up, but I never really finished building it, so it doesn't have anything to hold it. So we have this stick, and then all of my electrical stuff is underneath there. So the bed was propped up on the stick, everything was fine. I was under there with a little screwdriver to make an adjustment to the, little screw thingy that adjusts the voltage on my power converter. And the screwdriver slipped, and I hit a AC positive terminal while my hand was sitting on the negative for the batteries, and apparently somehow between the AC and the batteries I electrocuted myself, and it was enough to make the muscles in my arm straighten out. And when that happened, this stick normally sits here when it's holding the bed up. Anyway, my muscles contracted and it forced my arm into the stick and pulled the stick down. And then the bed, which was up, like that, comes down on top of my head and smashes my head into one of the support beams underneath the bed. So I split my lip open, I split my gums, and I actually broke my nose too. Anyway, yeah, so that's that story. So, thanks for watching today's episode of Tim's Being Weird Again. Bye.